Could this renewed Surface Pro 11 bundle actually be the ultimate portable workstation? It's packing some serious heat, starting with that Snapdragon X Plus processor. We're talking about a 10-core chip designed for snappy performance, and get this, battery life that supposedly lasts for days. Days! That's a bold claim, and something we definitely put to the test. The 13-inch PixelSense Flow display is gorgeous. The near edge-to-edge design, combined with a 2880x1920 resolution, makes everything look crisp and vibrant. The 120Hz dynamic refresh rate is a welcome addition, making scrolling and touch interactions feel incredibly smooth. It definitely elevates the overall viewing experience. This bundle also includes the Black Pro keyboard and slim pen, which is a huge plus. The pen stores and recharges right in the keyboard, which is super convenient. The keyboard itself can be used attached to the Pro for a traditional laptop setup or detached for more flexibility. It's a well-thought-out design. Microsoft is really pushing the AI angle with this device. The AI-enhanced Surface Studio camera is pretty cool. The ultra-wide front-facing camera, combined with AI-powered studio effects like automatic framing, keeps you in focus, even if you're moving around. And then there's the dedicated Copilot key, giving you instant access to AI-powered assistants. It's definitely a sign of where things are headed. With 16 GB of RAM and a 512 GB SSD, this configuration should handle most tasks with ease. And the fact that it comes with Windows 11 Pro is a nice bonus for professionals. Now, keep in mind this is a renewed device, so there might be some cosmetic imperfections. But if you're looking for a powerful and portable tablet that can double as a laptop, the Surface Pro 11 bundle is definitely worth considering. It packs a punch, offers a stunning display, and embraces the future of AI-powered computing. It's a solid piece of kit.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.